Hello everyone, good day to you and thank you for tuning in to Rohanet YouTube channel. From the beginning we've been showing you all the breeds of CHI chick. They call them the CHI or the ISA brown. So these particular breeds are strong and reliable. So this is just a day 6 of breeding. So we'll be feeding them with top feed, super starter from the beginning, and this is the day 6. And as you can see, let me pick one of them. So you see that they are bigger now. You can see the wings are coming up. They are growing, and you can see the wings, and they are developing. So I just want to show you one of them. Are you Betty? So it's showing you how they are. So this one, okay, they're very fragile, timid, shy and scared. So what we've been trying to do is that we use this particular side as the training, feeding them until when they are big enough, and transfer them to the cage, the battery cage. So they are feeding. You can see from this day 6 they've been growing. They started growing their tails, their wings are growing, becoming larger, and they are all very strong and smart. They are reliable for their eggs. Actually, poultry farmers do rely on these birds. They rely on them so much because they have strong and reliable results. They give really reliable results. They are very strong. So, but every day we used to support them with their vitamins. You understand? We support them with vitamins so that they can grow healthy, happy, smart, and dancing. So they adapt well in different climates. Actually, they used to adapt very well in different climates. So as long as there is a good management system and a housing system, and we used to provide enough heat for them in the night, because sometimes during the night, evening time, the weather used to be cold. So we normally provide for them a heat management system that can allow them to be able to stay and adapt to the weather of that particular day. And sometimes there is a schedule for vaccination and medication. So we also want to let you know that these CHI breeds, they are combined with, if you combine it with excellent feeds, with good feeds, you understand? So the conversion ratio, the ratio at which they will grow, the ratio at which they will bring eggs will be more. So, and the performance the performance and the ability to produce commercial eggs will be more. So the